Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a more healthy video, even though it's still, a treat, but it's more of a healthy treat. This is very delicious, but I had a little bit of problems with the texture, but I will let you know what I would change to get a better texture with this recipe, so stay tuned. You want to start out with your pecan nuts in a mixer, and you want to make some flour out of that basically. So you want to get it real nice and small. Then you want to add some brown sugar to that. As well as some vegetable oil, and I would suggest you use coconut oil for that, but I didn't have any. Next up, I decided to use some maple syrup to sweeten it. You could use other vegan sweeteners if you wanted to, or even honey if you're not vegan. Next up, I wanted to add some vanilla extract to that, and then you want to go ahead and mix that up. You want to chop up some really good dark chocolate. You want to pour that in as well. You want to mix until it is completely combined. Then you want to go ahead and spread that out in a tin that is fitting for this. I think mine was a bit too big. I would use a smaller one next time. And then you're ready to set that into the fridge for a couple of hours to set and harden. And that's the part I had trouble with because it didn't really do that. So what I did in the end is I made it into little balls, so that would work a bit better. And it was still very tasty and very nice. So yeah, I hope you give this a try if you like a little bit more healthy snacks for Christmas, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!